Welcome to Mighty Magulang's Friday FAQs or Fuksain ang Kalokohan. Today's question is, political dynasty ba kung wala namang baluarte? Sagot, oo naman. Section 26 of the 1987 Constitution guarantees equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibits political dynasties as may be defined by law. Napakarami nang nag-file ng anti-dynasty bill since 1987 pero hindi na-approve. Siyempre, matatamaan yung gumagawa ng batas kaya hindi na lang nila ginawa. The latest bills on political dynasties filed in the 19th Congress were House Bill 1157 by Raul Manuel and Senate Bill 548 by Grace Poe. These have defined and set the criteria for political dynasties. A dynasty is the consolidation, concentration, or perpetuation of public office and political power by relatives. Anong klaseng relative? Spouse or relative within 2 degrees of consanguinity. Hindi po requirement yung baluarte. Kung mag-asawa are in positions at the same time, dynasty yun. Kung mag-ama, mag-ina, maglolo, maglola, dynasty yun. Kung 2 o 3 o 5 magkakapatid, dynasty yun. Kung combination nun, may baluarte man o wala, dynasty yun. Follow-up opinion, okay lang daw ang dynasty kasi nagkatrabaho naman at binoboto ng tao. Kahit sa opisina nga ay bawal ng nepotism, sa gobyerno hindi. Ang katiwalian, rooted yan sa kawalan ng checks and balances at mas malaking probability ng kuntsabahan kapag magkakaanak. Matuto na tayo, okay? Okay na to. Meron ba kayong tanong tungkol sa kasaysayan na kwento ng teacher ng kachat ng kapatid ng labandera ng manikurista nyo na hindi kayo sure kung totoo? Comment below with a question. Hanapan natin ng resibo kung carry. Subaybayan next week ang Friday FAQs para matutunan natin kung paano kadali fuksain ang kalokohan. O diba? Meow meow.